Need a little cleaning motivation? Well, you are in the right place. Let's buckle down in this cold weather and snow and deep clean my kitchen. What better time to clean and deep clean than when you're snowed in? Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. In today's vlog, we will be doing a deep cleaning. I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen and getting my house together. I am currently snowed in, so I can't really go anywhere anyway, but something about this weather just makes me want to clean my house, get everything organized, and, you know, get it together. So I hope you guys are safe indoors. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's clean, guys. Turn on some nice music, have you a glass of wine, and let's get this kitchen together. Guys, I wanted to pop in really quick and show you these really super cute dish towels that I got from the Dollar Tree. They are so cute. I love the little colors. They were $1. So I got each of those for $1. Love those. I also ended up finding the pot holders for these as well. So make sure you guys go to your local Dollar Tree. They had so many really cute like kitchen decor finds. So I got those for $1 as well. Also, all of the cleaning products that you've seen in this vlog and the other ones that I just used for the rest of my house, I will have them linked in my Amazon storefront. It will be right in the first line of the description. Okay, guys, here we go.
I got diamonds doing just and slashing both ears. Dice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the dollar in my shorty bag. Know she wonder why when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself with Jay and count my figure shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. Mira. Top the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds proving just and slashing both ears. Dice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the dollar in my shorty bag. Know she wonder why when she tattoo that ass.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I am currently just wrapping up, about to swipper my floor. Again, all of these cleaning products will be on my Amazon storefront. If you enjoy these cleaning vlogs, then make sure you check out my Clean With Me playlist, as well as just drop a broom or some bubbles or something in the comments to let me know that you guys enjoy this type of content. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.